International travel is back. It seems like everyone's headed abroad for a family vacation, but with all the choices and hassles around travel, it can be overwhelming. As director of content at The Points Guy, though, I've got a few tricks up my sleeve that can help you leverage awards while traveling seamlessly and luxuriously. Paris is hosting the Olympics next summer and is a favorite destination of mine. So I decided to take my brother and his 3 kids on a summer trip through France, along with my favorite card for international travel, Venture X from Capital One, to show you how to plan the trip of a lifetime with family in tow, no matter your destination. I recently received 10,000 bonus miles in my Venture X account after my first cardholder anniversary. So I started by transferring my Capital One miles to Air France KLM Flying Blue for my ticket. Then I used Venture X to buy the rest of our flights through Capital One Travel to earn 5 miles per dollar on those. Our time at the airport was a smooth start to our vacation thanks to Venture X benefits like complimentary access to airport lounges. And I used TSA PreCheck to breeze through the line, a complimentary benefit I got thanks to Venture X.
Bonjour, good morning. Welcome to Laetitia Paris.
Thank you, checking in please. And when browsing hotels for the trip, I also discovered that my favorite hotel in Paris, Hotel Lutetia, is part of the Capital One Travel Premier Collection. That means I'll enjoy premium on-property benefits reserved for VIPs. Plus, as a Venture X cardholder, I earn 10x miles on Premier Collection bookings.
And the room code.
Merci beaucoup.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, let's get into the room.
Finally.
Here we are. Ooh.
Not too shabby.
Yeah, look, there's a popcorn machine.
Shall we? Are there instructions?
Ooh, look at this view. Oh, wow.
See the Eiffel Tower.
Oh my gosh. Let's go see what the rest has. Oh wow, in the bedroom. Look at these windows. No, not yet. Come on, we gotta head out.
Only for ice cream.
Okay. First travel hack? Keep the kids up when you arrive so you can adjust time zones. Use distractions. Bonjour. Nice to meet you. I'm Eric.
Nice to meet you, Felix.
Thanks you. All right. Oh wow. Have a seat. Champagne, anyone?
Yeah, I'll take some. Oh, merci.
This bridge was built by, can you guess who was a famous ruler of France?
Oh, Napoleon.
Yeah. Cheers.
Santé.
One sooner. Remember the premium benefits I mentioned as part of the Premier Collection? Every booking comes with a $100 experience credit to use on property. It's perfect for spa bookings, or in our case, dinner at the hotel restaurant. And since teenagers love to sleep in, we can also take advantage of a peaceful morning with the free daily breakfast for 2 included with Premier Collection bookings. One thing to remember when traveling, especially internationally, is if you pack in too much for the kids, they won't absorb anything and will be utterly exhausted. Don't try to do it all. The Paris lifestyle is mellow. Do the small things so you can instill your love for travel in them too. And if you only have a limited time in Paris, avoid the Louvre. It's too big and overwhelming, and crowded. The best part about this museum is most of it's out in the garden, I think.
That's true, yeah.
Instead, hit up a small museum and maybe a food tour. On your first full day, exercise can help adjust to the time zone. Paris offers a host of tour options, including walking and biking tours with stops for local cuisine along the way. How's the apple?
Really good. I can't believe it's vegan.
When I say world exhibition, what arrays in your mind?
Eiffel Tower.
And another one in the underground, the first metropolitan line was created for the World Fair 11 years after the Eiffel Tower.
Do you know which kinds of different meats these are?
Yes. Goat cheese.
Camembert.
Camembert.
Merci.
I'll do it. I'm a good photographer.
This view never gets old. Thank you. Once everyone's beat, make sure you get the kids to bed early so you stay on track. We finally let the kids pass out, and lucky for us, one of my favorite jazz bars happens to be at the very hotel we're staying in. Another way to use the hotel experience credit, if you're so inclined. Wow.
Classic confession for you, sir.
Nice.
Perfect. And for you, sir, an aviation.
Thank you. All right, to Paris.
Yes, indeed.
But it's summer, and I want the kids to see more of France. So next, I'm taking them to the countryside of Provence. I recommend taking the train. The high-speed rail is just 2.5 hours, which beats 7.5 hours of driving. Pro tip, I can use my Venture X miles to get reimbursed for recent travel purchases like these train tickets. So all those miles I earned booking flights already came in handy. And then when you arrive, rent a car. When you use your complimentary Hertz President Circle status with Venture X, you can get an upgraded car and skip the counter. After a train ride, the kids will be antsy, so find a way to get outside and see a bit of the countryside while being active. Don't forget to take some time to walk through the old medieval markets.
Bonjour. Bonjour. Qu'est-ce que vous avez comme spécialité?
I get 2x miles on everyday purchases with Venture X from Capital One.
Oh, good.
Should we get Bubby little soaps for the front bathroom
Sure.
that she needs, like
Sure,
these?
she needs those.
Bonjour.
Do you want a scarf? Do you like this one? So you want to try it on? Grab dinner in the city's ancient square. The region is known for ratatouille, so make sure to try some. All right, bon appetit. So we finally get to try the famous ratatouille. This is where they're known for it, and I know you all like the movies, so it's time to try the dish. Nice and fresh.
Really good.
Yeah, tasty. You can't tour all day every day with kids. You all need some time to relax. We packed up the rental car and drove 3 hours to Antibes for a couple days at the beach. And since you have a car, I highly recommend stopping at a bakery along the way to grab a calisson, the fruit and nut treats Provence is known for. Legend has it that King René of Provence was an old man and he married a very young woman who was unhappy about it, so he asked his chef to make a pastry that would make her smile, and he did. Did I mention there are no foreign transaction fees on Venture X? You guys want to try some?
Absolutely.
All right.
Cheers.
The icing's the best part, if you ask me. One of the reasons people love the south of France, myself included, is its gorgeous coastline. Lovely beach clubs in towns like Antibes are always worth checking out, but I recommend chartering a boat for a day of fun in the sun and dips in the Mediterranean to experience the Côte d'Azur's full beauty. Spend the last days of your summer vacation relaxing, recharging, and reminiscing over the trip of a lifetime. And even though Venture X miles don't expire for the life of the account, it's never too early to start planning our next trip.